parang equal split. Like I said, no, my name is Sam YG. I'm not supposed to be here. Medyo kinakabahan ako, no? Patay muna natin music. I want to be very honest with you. I've hosted a few weddings, pero medyo kinakabahan ako ngayon. Kasi we have a table full of priests, no? Nandito sa right. So ang instruction sa akin, no green jokes. So yung mga no green jokes, no jokes about Nepo babies, no? So pag medyo para diretso sa plus points kay Lord, no? But anyway, like I said, I'm super honored to be here to host for Gino and for AD. And to also be honest, I'm really not supposed to be their host for tonight, no? Ikwento ko lang sa inyo yung backstory. The story started around January of this year, 2025. I got a call from a random number. Alam naman natin, pag random number, hindi nakasave yung person sa phone mo, number lang lalabas. I picked up the call. And true enough, nung sinagot ko yung tawag, it was AD on the phone. So I said, hello. AD said, is this Sam? I said, speaking. Sabi niya, Sam, I'm getting married. I'm not sure about you guys, pero para sa isang lalaki, it's very scary to get a call from a girl. A random girl, sabi niya sa'yo, papakasal siya. Sabi ko, shit, may ex ba ako naging AD? Parang wala naman ako naging AD ex. So binalikan ko lahat ng mga ex ko. Sabi ko, wala naman ako naging ex na AD. Sabi ko, AD, sorry, I don't know you, you don't know me. How can I help you? Sabi niya, Sam, I'm getting married, no? And I want my wedding to be a little bit different. Sabi ko, okay, so please explain. It's gonna be here at Enderon Tent. Friends and family are gonna be here. But to make things special, gusto ko medyo kakaiba. Gusto ko sana, Bombay yung host ng wedding ko. So sabi ko, gawin natin yan, no? I don't normally do this. I work in the finance industry. It's known as 5-6 in the Philippines, no? So if you need payong, Colombo, iPhone 17, ako bahala sa inyo, no? Ladies and gentlemen, tonight is very special. Aside from great food, great company, alcohol, also, Gino and AD have one big concern, and I want to be very honest with you guys. Number one, I said kanina, Wednesday ngayon, no? So, I have been given a list of people na medyo eat and run. Ito mga tatawagin ko, dapat, no? Ito yung mga pagkatapos kumain, i-exit na dapat. So, please don't leave, no? Even after dinner, because we got a great show coming up for you guys. And later on, at the end of the program, we have something special. Gino and AD are gonna be raffling off 2 brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max chargers, no? May dalawa tayong charger ng iPhone 16 Pro Max. Sa dulo, para mag-stay naman kayo. What? Are you going to leave now? Do not leave. Stay till the end of the program, brother. We have 2 iPhones to give away. So, ladies and gentlemen, also I understand we have guests who have traveled from quite a distance to be with us. Can we make some noise, friends from Bacolod? Are you guys here?